responding with yes or okay, it's making your English sound flat and repetitive. If you want to sound like a truly fluent speaker, you need these 5 phrases to level up your conversation instantly. Let's dive in.
Hey Liam, why do some English learners sound confident and natural, even with simple vocabulary?
Because fluent speakers use small daily phrases that make their English sound smoother.
Wow, that's a good point.
Today, I'm going to show you 5 advanced English secrets that instantly improve the way people perceive your English.
Honestly, I think that's exactly what many learners need.
And the last secret is probably the most powerful one, because it changes how native speakers emotionally connect with your English.
So, advanced English is not always advanced words.
Yeah, advanced English often sounds simple but natural.
So, what is the first advanced English secret?
The first phrase is, "That makes sense."
That sounds very simple. How do usual learners respond instead?
Most learners say things like, "Yes," "Okay," or "I understand."
And that sounds unnatural?
Not always unnatural, but repetitive and emotionally flat.
Can you show me an example?
Of course. Imagine someone says, "I changed jobs because I wanted more flexibility." Instead of saying, "I understand," you can say, "Yeah, that makes sense."
Wow, that really sounds smoother.
Exactly, because it sounds socially intelligent and conversational.
Why does this phrase sound more advanced?
Because it shows that you are processing the idea emotionally.
That's interesting, actually.
Fluent speakers constantly react to ideas naturally during conversations.
So, reactions are very important.
Extremely important, because conversations are emotional, not only grammatical.
That explains so much.
And learners who sound advanced usually react naturally, instead of translating responses word for word in their minds.
I think many learners do that.
Sure. And when people overthink every sentence, they lose rhythm and confidence.
So, this phrase helps conversations feel more human?
Exactly. And native speakers love conversational flow.
Can this phrase work at work too?
Absolutely. Imagine your coworker says, "We moved the meeting to Friday because more people are available."
Okay.
You can say, "Yeah, that makes sense."
Wow, that sounds calm and professional.
Right, because professional English is often simple but smooth.
Interesting.
And here is another important detail.
What is it?
Fluent speakers do not always try to impress people with difficult words.
Really?
They focus more on sounding comfortable and connected.
That actually makes sense.
Exactly.
So, this phrase can immediately improve conversations?
Yes, because it makes you sound engaged instead of robotic.
I like that.
The second phrase is, "I was actually thinking the same thing."
Wow, that sounds very natural.
Exactly. And it creates instant connection between people.
Why do learners struggle with this part of conversations?
Because many learners answer questions but do not know how to continue interactions naturally.
That's a fair point.
They often stop conversations accidentally because their answers are too short or too cold.
Right. I've seen that happen. So this phrase helps with that?
Sure, because it creates agreement and social flow.
Can you show me an example?
Imagine your friend says, "This cafe has such a relaxing atmosphere."
Okay.
You can reply, "I was actually thinking the same thing."
Wow, that sounds advanced.
Absolutely, because it feels warm and conversational.
So fluency is not only speaking fast?
Exactly. Fluency is also social comfort.
Wow.
And another reason this phrase sounds advanced is because it buys you time naturally.
What do you mean?
While saying, I was actually thinking the same thing, your brain has more time to continue the conversation naturally.
That's smart.
Exactly. Fluent speakers use natural conversational patterns. Let me give you another example.
Okay.
Someone says, learning English became easier after I stopped worrying so much.
Right.
You can say, I was actually thinking the same thing.
Oh, that sounds way more advanced.
Exactly. And it sounds socially confident.
So, advanced English is connected to emotional communication too?
Very connected.
I think many learners only focus on grammar.
And that creates stiff conversations.
Yes. Interesting. So, what's the next secret?
The third phrase is, to be honest.
That sounds familiar, but most learners almost never use that. Why is this phrase so powerful?
Because native speakers soften opinions constantly.
What do you mean by soften opinions?
Instead of sounding aggressive or overly direct, they create emotional balance in conversations.
Can you show me an example?
Of course, instead of saying, I don't like this option, you can say, to be honest, I prefer the other option.
Wow, that sounds much calmer.
Exactly. And calmer English sounds more fluent.
So, this is one of those advanced English secrets?
Absolutely. Because tone matters as much as vocabulary.
I never thought about tone that much.
Native speakers think about emotional comfort naturally during conversations.
Really?
Yes, especially in work environments and social interactions.
So, sounding advanced is also about sounding emotionally intelligent?
Yeah, and learners who only focus on grammar often ignore conversational softness.
Can this phrase work in professional situations too?
Absolutely. Instead of saying, this plan is bad, you can say, to be honest, I think we should consider another strategy.
Wow, that sounds much more professional.
Exactly, because advanced English often sounds calm and controlled.
I see what you mean.
Another reason this phrase sounds natural is because native speakers constantly prepare opinions softly before speaking.
So they don't jump directly into strong statements?
Sure, they create emotional transitions.
Wow, that is why conversations feel smoother.
Exactly, because they tried too hard to sound correct.
So, what is the fourth advanced English secret?
The fourth phrase is at the end of the day.
Wow, native speakers say that all the time.
Exactly, and many learners understand it, but rarely use it naturally.
Why does this phrase sound so fluent?
Because it helps organize opinions and conclusions smoothly.
That's good to know.
Many learners can express ideas, but they struggle to sound natural while explaining conclusions.
Can you show me an example?
Of course. Instead of saying, consistency matters most, you can say, at the end of the day, consistency is what really matters.
Wow, that sounds much more natural.
Exactly. And now we arrive at the final advanced English secret.
Finally.
This one is probably the most powerful phrase in the entire video.
Really?
Yes, because it changes the way people emotionally perceive your English.
Wow, now I'm excited.
The final phrase is, I didn't realize that.
That sounds very natural already.
Exactly, because fluent speakers react naturally during conversations.
Why is reacting so important?
Because conversations are emotional exchanges, not grammar exercises.
Interesting.
Many learners answer questions correctly, but forget to react naturally.
Right.
They often say things like, "Oh, really?" repeatedly.
So, what is the final message for learners watching this video?
If you want to sound more advanced in English, stop chasing perfection and start building natural conversational habits every single day.
That sounds motivating, actually.
Because your English becomes smoother, more confident, and more fluent when people feel comfortable talking with you.
Wow.
And tell us in the comments which phrase you are going to start using first, because your fluency journey becomes stronger every time you practice naturally.
I hope so, because confidence grows with practice. But sometimes I still feel nervous speaking English. Why is that?
Because fluency is not only about words. Your body language also affects your confidence, and that's our next topic.
See you in the next video then.
Bye, everyone.